Hi, Courtney. My name is Krista. After watching your discussion post, I think you did a really well job at describing what the leucine zipper is and how it works, how the alpha helices are bound, and I think that you did a really good job also at describing what the electrostatic interaction was and how that works as well. I also agree that the isoleucine would be a good alternative as well to function in the same or similar manner as glutamine or lysine. I think that you have a good point where it is also hydrophobic and it is nonpolar as well, so it would function very similarly to the leucine and glutamine. And it is also the structure is very similar to leucine since it just has an isomer on it. So there is just a little bit of weight difference in weight, like you stated earlier. But overall, I think you did a really good job with this presentation, and I agree that the isoleucine would be another good alternative that would probably work in place of leucine and glutamine.